these items were sent to me by Pandahall Select. And they did send a coupon code that will save you 10% off. I'll leave it linked down below in the description box. I will also leave linked all of these products and their website. So here's kind of like an overview of everything that they sent me. And then I'm going to share with you guys what I have been working on. So I actually haven't used my wax seal yet, but maybe I'll do that in the next video because I want to use that. And then look at these little bumblebees that they sent. They were actually meant to be key rings, which I'll show you. So these two products came together. So it came with the key rings and then these little crocheted bumblebees. I think they're so stinking cute. So I stuck one on a pin because I was just like, I bet it'd be so cute, and it totally is. And it doesn't add a lot of weight because it's crocheted. So this pen has like no weight to it at all. So I love how that came out. And then I did use it the way it was intended with the little key ring here. So I put this little guy, all I did was right through one of the stitchings, I just put a jump ring that I had in my stash, and then I attached it. And then here is a little bumblebee charm that came from this kit down over here. And then I just added a couple of little beads from my stash. So I think that came out so cute. So that was one kit right there in itself, and that was $5.56 for that one. And then I meant to use these with part of my beadable pin, and then I completely forgot. So I bet these would be really cute. Like, we could add this on here. And I did pull one of these out of my stash to go ahead and try to attach, and I didn't end up using that either. But I can show you guys how we can take off the top here, take that black bead off, then we could just go ahead and add one of these right on, because oh my gosh, that's so pretty. It's gonna be so pretty up against this gold top. Oh, I really like that. I think I'm gonna end up leaving that on there. I think I like it better than my little black piece. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's gorgeous, but I know it's kind of hiding a little bit by the wings, so I don't know, but that's beautiful. So we have that one, and then I got a bunch of these gorgeous charms right here. So I think this was the one that I stuck on here. Yeah, so this is a whole bag of these little bees with the flowers, and that's what I put on my pokey tool. But then I did get this kit right here as well that has a variety. So it does come with those flower, with the flower and bees. But see, there's a fairy, there is some flowers, we have some mushrooms. I think there was 5 maybe different. Maybe not, maybe there was only 4. But yeah, you get this whole little case. Their products came in these storage cases, which I love, that it's all nice and organized for me already. I love that. So then with this kit right here, this was technically an earring kit, but I didn't use any of it as earrings. I ended up making my charms out of here. So you can see it has jump rings, it has some eye pins, some head pins, some eye pins, and then there are earring hooks right here as well. And then there are just some other like little specialty metal pieces, and came with a couple beads, a bunch of different charms. So I'm going to show you that I did put together a couple of little dangles using the products from here. So I love this one. There was a loop at the top and the bottom of the bee. So I just made like one long dangle that I was thinking could, you know, be attached and just have like one long dangly piece off of the pin right there. And then here is one of those metal bars that's in that kit. And then I just did this dangly little bumblebee right here with that charm. And then I just did another little wire wrap with some of the beads from there. So I think those came out really pretty. There's still a ton of items still left for this earring kit, so I can definitely make a lot more. A lot more little charms. I really like these little yellow teardrops. I think are really, really pretty as well. So lots more can do in there. And then I'll close that later. This is another little kit right here for beads. And I did just go ahead and pull some of these out, and I wire wrapped them as well. So we have those right there. Let's see. So I did those. I think they came out really cute. I love the pastels. This one does have little bunnies in here. So very cute, very springtime. And I think I used a couple of these like smaller clear ones on this pin as well. So here I did a pokey tool using a lot of the stuff. So I used a lot of these charms. So you can see there's just a little variety of charms in this one, which I liked because it coordinated with everything. Like I was able to mix and match everything. So I love that you can just do that and use any one of these kits. So I took a lot of these charms. So here's that charm from right here. This little honeycomb is from this earring kit back here. And then so is this little bumblebee is from this earring kit. And then this little loopy one, look how cute that is. It's a little bee with a little flower. That came from this kit right there. So I love how this came out. And then I just went ahead and I wrapped some beads from my stash. So there is my little pokey tool right there. I think it came out super, super cute. I love how it came out. I like these little ones right here. I think they came out really cute. So this one I haven't technically glued down yet. So what I did was I just used a little stopper to keep it all on there. But I am going to go ahead and glue this down so that way all the beads stay in place, no problem. So that's my little project share for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys have any questions about any other products, let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.